darlings, I hope you are waiting for my videos. I'll show you the final stage of assembling a charming necklace. The video will be quite short, but I hope you enjoyed it. I used large beads, crystal beads, jewelry wire, pearl petals, sequins in the form of leaves, memory wire, cutters and jewelry pliers for creating it. In this video, I didn't show how to make this flower because the tutorial with it is already on my channel. Check it out, you can create this flower easily. And also don't miss my other DIY tutorials for professionals and beginners. So enjoy watching it! Write in the comments whether you make jewelry on my tutorials or just watch videos on the channel. And also write about your preferences, what DIY projects you want to watch more on Gilda workshop. I'd love to talk to you!